It's time for another NameBran cheap tech review. The series that helps you, the one that might not be financially stable enough to get the cool tech that all your friends have. Jazz hands! Hey! F off, kids! This video's not for you. Quite frankly, go hide in a closet and pretend your mom's not fondling a mailman's balls in the other room. How's that sound? This video's for the real boys out there, man. The boys that spend all their money on girls and blow. The same boys that gotta go back to work sitting in an office that gotta explain to the other boys why they don't got the new AirPods. I'm here to tell you can get them for cheaper. I'll put you on the right track to make it look like you got a way. You got kids, your life's put together. Alright, man, back in action. We're back in the action. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, and as you guys probably already know because it's like pop culture and stuff, the new AirPods came out. I can't remember. I was searching online. They're either called the AirPod 3 or the AirPod Pro. I've heard both. I don't know what one, but Justine, she's hot and she said AirPod Pro. So I gotta listen to her. You listen to the hot ones so you can get in bed with them later, you know what I mean? Anyway, man, getting on to the video. If you guys like these videos where we take the tech that everyone's already reviewed already, but then we buy the cheaper version, because screw the companies that are selling them for expensive prices. I shouldn't be saying this, nor do I promote buying cheap items that are knockoffs, by the way. Don't promote that. But if you like that, leave a thumbs up and comment down below on this video and say, hey, Brand, you're doing a good job with that. And let's hope I don't get sued, you know? Things get views and all of a sudden you're in the crosshairs of Apple, and you don't want to be in the crosshairs of Apple. Getting into it, I found actually, and it's really crazy because these Apple Pros just came out, I found a knockoff version of them about a month ago. Now it's not a complete knockoff, I'm saying this for my safety because I think what they called them on the website was like Air Sticks, Air something. It wasn't AirPods. They didn't use the name. It's just like a certain sort of design that has been used before by some companies like Apple. So we got them. You might be wondering how I got them a month ago. I think a while ago pictures got leaked of these AirPods that just came out. Here's a picture, by the way, and if you guys don't know the difference, as you can tell, obviously there's sound quality difference, the box is different, but they have little like buds on them that are gonna help them stick in your ear, which is great. I had the old AirPods. I lost them because the things kept falling out because they didn't have the little bud things that stick in your ear. So I think it's a really good idea what they're doing with these new pods. Anyway, getting back to it, I found this off a website. I can't remember. It could have been DHgate, it could have been Wish, it could have just been a random website. I shop all these websites for just cool, weird tech, like jacuzzis for your nutsack, and I found these, and they're finally here in a great time. They actually came about a week ago, so I waited till the hype came up about these AirPod Pros, and I thought I'd show you guys the version I got for $10. And if I can, I will find a link too. If it's not there when you're watching the video, remind me down below, and I'll dig through my emails and stuff like that to find it. Anyway, man, skipping the junk, we got the box right here. I've actually been really stoked to open these. One, because I haven't seen the videos of this on YouTube, which is good. As a creator, I want to be the first one to F with Apple. First off, I don't know what kind of packaging they have, but it sounds like they got a bunch of Lego blocks in here, which is kind of funny. There we go. You guys let me know what you think about the new AirPod Pros. If you got them, are they actually worth getting? I'm not gonna lie. Even though I have these, I haven't seen them yet, but even though I have these, I probably will get the real version. Just because I do want the quality, you know what I mean? Any fake sound system or, you know, earbud device is not gonna have the best sound, and when you're at the gym and stuff like that, it's kind of nice to have something cool. So, anyway, man, getting into it, we got this. Oh, God, I hate this stuff, man. It gets everywhere. I'm at my mom's house too. She's gonna kill me if I get that place. It's damn! Okay, here we go. Alright, so there's no box it comes with at all, but what it comes with is the box right here. Now, this is actually kind of disappointing because I really wanted the other one. Damn! Way, it would have looked better in the thumbnail. As you guys see by the picture, that's what the other one looks like. They still have the same sort of case with this one. If I'm not mistaken, this one looks a little bit bigger. Anyway, man, opening it up. Okay, I'll open it up in front of you guys. We're kind of out of place right now. That's probably what was jingling, but as you guys can see, man, holy crap! So we have the AirPod Pro, but not, this isn't, I'm not promoting it whatsoever, I'm just unboxing it because I like cheap tech. Crazy. So I'm looking at this further. What I'm looking at right now is this looks like, you guys know AirPods have been knocked off for a long time. You can get them for cheaper, like Supreme Patty sells them for free on his website, you just pay shipping. This is, looks like the same thing, and am I disappointed or not? I feel like I'm kind of pissed off at this, actually. I don't know what my emotions are. Holy fucking I just got screwed. God, is that smart. Further investigation of this, actually, it looks like they just got one of these earpieces and freaking glued it. I don't know if I'm correct on this, but this looks like super glue on the inside there where the sound is going to be coming out. And then if you look inside of here, it also looks like super glue or some sort of glue. So it looks like they just took the old pods, put a thing on top of it, made it look like, God, that's kind of genius. But I doubt these are, okay, so that's f***ed up, man. Alright, so this proves my point. The other one just fell out, and as you guys can see, what that looks like is hot glue right there, which was sticking that on. I guess you can just put it back on like that, God forbid. But they feel remarkable. Anyway, ah! Oh, God. So that freaked me out. I have a huge phobia of having things in my ears or nose getting stuck. I've seen too many, okay, wow. I've seen too many bugs getting stuck in people's ears videos. Anyway, that freaked me out. So there it is. It's a piece of junk. I can't believe they're actually selling this. But it's pretty much just gimmicky. It's supposed to, I guess, look like the real thing is what I'm getting from this, but it's really not. And as if you guys can see, that's where the sound's supposed to come out of. The same place that we got freaking glue on. So now we just have the regular, AirPod. I was trying to pick the other piece of glue off. Fuck, man. This is the biggest failure of a frickin' YouTube video I've had, and not that long, unfortunately. Anyway, that's our product. I don't know what else to say about it. I just destroyed one, but it does feel real nice in the ear, and I would try out, actually, I guess I could try out the sound with one. We'll do that real quick and test it. Alright, and play. Okay, so I wish you could hear the sound on this, boys, because it is working. But it's very muffled because I have glue where the sound comes out of. So this is like a Halloween prop, really. That's what that is. These aren't functional, nor are they good, but I spent $10 on them and I'm not too unhappy with it. It's just, I also just broke the damn other one. So much for going as a cool kid for Halloween. I can't anymore. Dang, that was my main goal, to be one of those boss kids that I always wanted to be, that have all the cool things. I was gonna go with my little fanny pack and my little purse that y'all are wearing now. Those are weird, by the way, but whatever. Anyway, that's it. I don't know what to say about them. I think it's hilarious what they did here. It's just not working, but it works in your ear, but it doesn't sound good. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. I somehow feel violated and completely taken advantage of, but I can't knock it, man. It's kind of smart, and I think it's kind of funny. I just don't know how they're going to get away with this for too long, because there's going to be lots of complaints. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, NameBran, Thams, Yo, Sean, Blau.